Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to show you my class for August, which uses the Layers of Beauty stamp set bundle. So we'll be using the die cuts and the masks with that kit. This is going to be a fun class. It's going to be on Zoom so that we can communicate back and forth, and I will walk you through all of the projects step by step so that everybody understands what we're doing and how we're doing it. So I'm going to flip my camera over to my desktop so that you can see what comes in the kit. So just so you're aware, the kit is going to include making these 5 cards, which I do love this bundle, and it's fun to see the different looks that you get with just a very few inks. So those are the cards. The kit will include sponge daubers, which we'll be using a lot of because we're using the masks, a package of the baker's twine in the 3 different colors, the pearls. This isn't a full pack, but you will get a full pack. You'll get the envelopes, you'll get the cardstock, a half a package of the designer series papers in the subtles color. This isn't a full of what you'll get because I've used up a lot of it. So anyway, just so you're aware, these are all the items that come in the actual kit if you purchase the kit. Now, in order to finish the projects the way that I've completed the projects, you're going to need to add the following items if you don't have them. The Layers of Beauty bundle, so that would include the stamps, the dies, and the masks. The inks that I've used for these particular projects are Calypso Coral, Lost Lagoon, and Lemon Lolly. I've also brought in Memento ink, Versamark ink, because we are embossing, and so you're going to need embossing powder and probably a heat tool if you don't have one. They'll all be listed in the sign-up form. And then I've got to add on to that a little adhesive kit that I put together, which is mini glue dots, the multi-purpose glue, the tear and tape, and dimensionals, package of dimensionals. They all come in this great little carrying case so that you can haul them around to wherever you are that you're stamping. So that is the kit for this month of August. I believe the cutoff date is August 14th. Kits will go out on the 20th. Class will be on the 24th. So it'll be, like I said, it'll be a Zoom class. It will be recorded, so if you can't make it, you will have access to that. There'll be PDFs too for the class so that you'll have printouts. And I'll send those a couple days early just so that you can have time to look them over. Class is 2 ways. You can go with the class kit, or you can just purchase the Zoom class and the PDFs. So check out the sign-up form, and I hope to see you in class at the end of the month. Thanks, and have a great day.